Here's a friend of mine's place here. King size bed, little bedroom, very nice. New refrigerator over here. Bathroom. And then here's the star of the show. There's Knox. So comfortable. Oh, there's the latest in typewriters. Man, that thing is old. Does it work?
Well, I think
Yeah.
it will. It's got everything it needs, and I've seen some videos about how to do a refurbishment. You know, clean it and oil it and stuff.
Where did you find this?
I got it in town at the Ridge Root Museum's annual flea market, or they do, and I got it for $5.
God, there's a lot of them still around.
Yeah.
12. I wonder what that means.
Yeah, I think it's like a number 12 is the.
I mean, I've got an old typewriter, but it's not this old. This thing must be 1920s or before, is what I'm guessing.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I think I looked it up at one point, but I don't remember.
Okay. Battery power's gone.